Meantime, so if I could confer, I might be able to work something out.
All right, number one, I'm conferring. What happened with your client? What'd you say?
He picked up another charge, Your Honor, and that might change our negotiating position. So if I could just confer on that, we might be able to work something out.
All right, is he present? Mr. Navarro?
I've been in contact with him. I sent him everything he needed. So if he's not on yet, he should be on soon, Judge.
Here there should be. I agree with you on that. He should be. But right now he's absent.
Okay, I'll make sure I get him in here, Judge.
Yes, sir. 594.
I have not yet.
All right, so right now he's not.
I have not yet.
All right, so right now he's not present. Thank you. 613-761 State versus Jimmy Tron. He is currently in Bexar County Jail. Robert Gebbia, good morning to you, Robert.
I'm here this morning. Mr. Tran is in the Bexar County Jail. He was charged with a couple of new felonies. We got some more felonies coming down the pipeline. He is charged with capital murder. We would ask for felony pending at this time, Your Honor.
Yep, let's give him a 90-day reset, especially with that kind of a charge. Good Lord. Felony pending. Capital. Well, Robert, are you going to be on that case?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, Robert. You got anything else this morning here?
No, sir. Thank you very much. Nice to see you.
Then you're excused. Take care of
Sorry
yourself.
for screaming at you.
All right, folks, be sure to mute your system until I call your name. Otherwise, you'll interfere with the call of the doctor. I'll say it one more time. Mute your system until I call your name so that you don't interfere with the call of the docket. Thank you. 615-296 State versus Frankie Vargas. Kyle Simpson.
Present, Your Honor.
Which one's present?
Oh, this
Kyle
is Frankie.
Good morning, Frankie.
Good morning,
Appreciate
Judge.
you being here on time. Where's your attorney?
I don't know. I'll reach out to him right now.
All right, I'll mark him as not present. I appreciate you being here. Just hang in there. 615-355 State versus Yolanda Vallejo, and that is Angela Blake.
Judge, she's here in the courtroom.
Okay.
She called. She's running late.
What, Ms. Blake? Really?
She's in other courts. Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you, ladies. 615505 State versus Marco Lozano, and that is David Parent. Attorney. Marco Lozano. No response. Marked absent. David Parent. Also absent. 615522 State versus James Davis. State. Stacy Krause. I see you here somewhere.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Stacy.
My client is not in here yet, but I'm working on that, and I do want to confer with the state on this, with Catherine specifically.
Okay. Is Ms. Morgan, are you back today?
Judge, unfortunately, she is not back today.
Aye.
Hopefully sometime this week.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Pollard. You know, while we're moving along here, why don't you go ahead and start conferring with Brian De La Rosa? Ms. Krause, on Davis, do you wish to confer with Ms. Pollard, or do you want to wait and reset this to confer with Ms. Morgan?
No, I need, it is Catherine's case, Judge, so I would like to
Okay,
confer.
Catherine Pollard, I'm sorry. Yes, then you're the next one to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
Be sure you get your client in. 615534 State versus Rudy Moreno. Marshall White, the Marshall.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning, Marshall. How are you?
Okay, yourself?
So far, Monday morning, lots of time for things to go to, what you call it. Is your client around, Rudy Moreno?
I don't know if he is, Judge. I did reach out to him and let him know, remind him about this court date. So I'm not too sure if he's on the call or not.
All right. Well, for right now, he's absent. Hang around. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. White. 616516 State versus Jesus. Tula Moreno.
Oscar
Unusual.
Cantu here for him, Your Honor. I just got retained. He's sitting in the car right in my parking lot. He was here at 8:30.
All right. So I'll mark him present since you're an officer of the court until otherwise told. Mr. Cantu,
Yes, sir.
you're newly hired, so what do you want to do?
I'm trying to file an appearance right now, but I can't get my computer to cooperate and ask you for a 30-day reset so I can get the discovery.
A problem with computers? No kidding.
Yeah, they want me to let it drive the car. There's no freaking way.
Reset 30 days. Sir, y'all are excused.
Yes, sir. I'll go out there and tell them.
All right. Page. Case number 616612, State versus Honorio Galarza, and that is George Sharman II. Once again, George Sharman II. Once again, no response.
Hello?
Honorio Galarza,
Yes, ma'am.
where you at?
Hello?
Galarza? Honorio Galarza.
Waiting, Judge.
Pardon me?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Are you Honorio Galarza?
Yes, sir.
All right. It says iPhone on there, Patty. Mr. Galarza, you're gonna have to wait around for Mr. Sharman to show up.
Hi, Linda.
Yes, sir.
Is Patty available or is she doing the docket?
Hello,
Oh,
I'm
okay.
calling the
All right, thank
docket.
you.
616872, State versus Sandell Pope, and that is William Brooks.
We have Mr. Pope here in the courtroom, Judge.
All right. Good morning, Thelma.
Morning, sir.
All right, and Mr. Brooks, attorney, no response. Stick around, Mr. Pope. 618390, State versus
I need
Jose
you to
Martinez.
talk. You're gonna hold down your space bar to talk. That's the only time you.
Thank you, Patty.
Yes, sir.
618390, State versus Jose Martinez, and that's Paul Acevedo. Is Paul available, Patty, or we?
He should be, Judge. They didn't ask me to reset this.
All right. I'm showing him no response at this time. And Jose Martinez, jury setting, absent. Bad news. 618536, State versus David Solis. That is Andrew Priest, his attorney. Andrew Priest, no response. David Solis, absent. 618823, State versus Patrick Whitefeld, and that is Steve Keith Engelkey.
Present, Your Honor.
And
Mr.
who's-
Engelke is running late from the 379th.
Okay. Mr. Whitefeld, you answered, right?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
All right, hang around. Your attorney's in another court. 619441, State versus Gabriel Guerrero, no attorney of record.
He's here in the courtroom, Judge.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Guerrero.
Morning.
Are you going to be able to hire an attorney?
Court appointed.
You're going to have to fill out an application and swear to it. And if you qualify, we'll give you an attorney. If you don't qualify, you will not get one. Be careful what you put on there. You don't want to save a little money and wind up getting indicted for perjury. Be careful with that. 626214, State versus John Scrugum. Linda Corley.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for Lynn on that case. Not sure if Mr. is on Zoom. I don't see him.
You're breaking
Mr.
up.
Scrogum?
Victoria Martinez? No, you're not. Who's answering for Linda Corley?
Judge, it's Kim Beza.
There you are. Good morning, Kim.
Good morning.
And John Scrugum, any word? Marked absent at this time. 628-932, State versus Dmitry Simonenko. And that is Alfonso Cabañas. Attorney Alfonso Cabañas, no response. And Dmitry Simonenko marks absent. Continuing, case number 629-353, State versus Joseph Guerrero, no attorney of record. Joseph Guerrero, marked absent. 629-831, State versus the Baron Alexander, and it's Jessica Gonzalez as attorney. Jury
morning.
setting. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Jessica.
How
I'm
are
here.
you?
Good
I'm
morning,
here.
Mr. Alexander.
I'm here, Judge, but I hired counsel,
You hired somebody? Who did you hire?
Ernest Acevedo III.
Okay. I don't think he will be here today. In case you're not aware, Ernest's father passed away about 10 days ago.
I
So
was
we're
not
gonna,
aware of that myself.
yeah, we had some services and some celebration last Thursday and Friday.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, wow.
I'm sure you are. We're gonna reset your case, Patty. Look to it, please. Mr. Alexander, we will be in touch with you and inform you of the new setting.
Thank you.
Judge, I can give him the date now.
All right, Mr. Alexander, pay attention. The new date is
October 13th.
of 2021. Right, Patty?
Yes, sir.
All right. We will inform Mr. Acevedo III. 6-2. And by the way, Jessica,
Yes, Your Honor.
I guess you can submit your voucher.
I'll keep track of it until Mr. Acevedo goes ahead and files
Yes,
something.
ma'am.
It's not on file yet, so that's why I got the notice, but I'll do
All
it
right.
after he's done that. Thank you, sir. May I be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 6-2-9-9-5-6, State versus Corey Vasquez, and that is Tim Roundtree. Tim Roundtree, no response. Isn't he on vacation, Patty?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry that he's on vacation for 2 weeks. It got reset to September 10th.
Uh-huh.
Hey, sir, have you caught Joseph Navarro?
Yes, I did.
I couldn't hear. I would say I was in court, but I couldn't hear.
Excuse me.
Judge,
I'll recall it in a little bit.
Okay, Judge, I've conferred on that whenever you're ready.
All right, 632-674, State versus Alex Ardoin, and that is no attorney of record. Alex Ardoin,
He's here in the courtroom, Judge.
courtroom. Mr. Ardoin, are you gonna hire an attorney?
Court appointed, sir.
You gonna fill out an application and swear to it, like I told the other gentleman? Did you hear what I told him?
Yes, sir.
You don't wanna go to jail for trying to save a few pennies. Be careful what you put on there. 632-814, State versus Kelvin Hagan, no attorney. Kelvin Hagan, absent. 633-246, State versus Jose Rodriguez, no attorney. Jose Rodriguez, absent. 633-579, State versus Sarah Herrera Peñalosa. David Garcia is attorney of record.
Judge, he was on, but he had to leave to the 386. He'll be right back.
All right. So he is marked present. What about Sarah Herrera Peñalosa, marked absent. 633-630. State versus Michael Rendon. Kimberly Beza.
Judge, I'm here for Mr. Rendon, and he's joining us as well via Zoom under Mike's phone.
Mike what?
Mike's phone.
Okay. Hello, Mike.
Mr. Rendon.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
I see Mr. Navarro responding, but I don't see Mr. Rendon responding.
Yes, I'm here, sir.
There
Can
you
you hear
are.
me?
Mike's phone. I got you now.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that, sir.
No problem. 634-549, State versus Christopher Santos. No attorney. Christopher Santos, marked absent. 635-212, State versus Nichelle Dennison, no attorney. Nichelle Dennison,
I'm here,
where are you? Talk to me.
right here, and then Michelle.
There you are. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Are you going to hire an attorney or what are you doing?
Court ordered.
You're going to have to fill out an application and swear to the information you provide. If you qualify, an attorney will be given to you, okay?
Okay.
635-717, State versus David Santiago, no attorney.
He's here in the courtroom, Judge.
Another courtroom, all right. Mr. Santiago, are you going to hire an attorney or are you going to ask for a court appointed?
I would like to apply for the court appointed, Your Honor.
Okay. As I mentioned to all the others, you'll have to fill out an application and swear to the information. We are checking those, so be careful. If you qualify, you'll get an appointment attorney. 636-990, State versus Champion Blanks, and that is Gammon Gwynn.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here. I have not been able to reach Ms. Blanks. There's a message on her phone saying it doesn't take calls.
All right. You'll have 1 week to produce her or have her check in. Otherwise, it'll be a failure to appear in a warrant.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, you may. And get that voice back, Gammon.
I'm trying. I lost a use of one of my vocal cords.
Okay,
But-
I know you, but you can still talk. Hang in there.
I'm trying. Thank you, Judge. Man,
Take care. You're welcome. 638-117, State versus Aaron Morales, no attorney. Aaron Morales.
Your Honor, Your Honor, this is attorney. I got hired last night, Your Honor.
Sorry?
This is Attorney Adam Flores, Your Honor.
Okay.
I got hired last night, Your Honor. He's on FaceTime right now with me.
You're talking about Aaron Morales.
Yes, correct, Your Honor. I got hired last night.
Okay, who are you again?
Adam Flores.
Okay. I couldn't make out what you were saying. Now I can. Adam Flores is attorney.
Yes, sir. I got hired last night, and the e-file was accepted in the morning. This morning.
What do you wish to do today?
I just reset, Your Honor, so I could look at the evidence and whatever evidence they might have.
Reset 30 days, new hire. Gentlemen, y'all are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Honor. Thank you for being here on time.
Thank you, Your Honor. Patty, do I get a reset, Patty, right now?
I'll send you the new reset, Adam,
Thank
once
you.
you're on the system.
Patty's
I'm
gonna
on
be
the
60.
system.
Patty's is gonna be 60 or 30?
60, Judge.
60 days. Okay, you're gonna get 60 days and like it, Adam.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
639-617, State versus Joe Martinez, attorney Isidro Montoya Jr.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm well. How about you?
Hello, Judge. Good, fine, thank you. I cannot get a hold of Mr. Martinez. His phone is disconnected and the personal bond people have not been in touch with him. And again, I have not had any contact with Mr. Martinez.
Okay, well, for right now, he'll be failure to appear. If you're able to find him or
Thank you,
produce him, let us know, please. And do you have anything else this evening?
Can I be released?
Yes, sir.
No, Judge, that was it. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 640-230, State versus Reginald Rackley, and that is Jerome White.
Judge, he's present with counsel. We need to confer with the state on this case.
All right, you are next to confer. Well, you're in the line. And Mr. Rackley, hang in there. Your attorney's gonna do some work. 640-424. Mr. Rackley is with us, Mr. White?
Yes, sir. Present, Your Honor.
All right. 640-424, State versus Alejandro Gonzalez, and that's Tim Roundtree. Again, that's reset also, Patty?
Yes, sir, September 10th.
Okay. I guess Mr. Gonzalez has been informed. 640-443, State versus Bridget Bailey, and that's Paul Vasquez.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Bailey.
Good morning.
Have you heard from your attorney?
It's supposed to be Austin Hagee.
Say again?
It's supposed to be Austin Hagee.
Hagee.
Uh-huh.
We show Mr. Paul Vasquez. Are they in the same office or what?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, for right now, neither one is here, so we'll have to wait around.
Okay.
640-455, State versus Joanna Bailey. Are you ladies related? Joanna Bailey?
Not to my
EQ
knowledge,
Lee.
sir.
Okay. EQ Lee is attorney of record. No response from Ms. Lee, nor from Joanna Bailey, marked absent. 640-469, State versus Juan Tellez. That
Good
is
morning, Judge.
Armando Martinez.
I am here, Judge. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Armando. How are you?
I am doing well, Judge. Respectfully, I would like to ask for a reset. I've got to be in federal court at 10 in the morning on a bond redetermination case, Judge. And if I'd like to confer at a later time, if I may. If I could get the reset, I would appreciate that, Judge.
We're going to give you a 60-day reset. Are you in touch with Juan Tellez? I think I heard somebody respond. Mr. Tellez,
Yes, sir.
are you with us?
Sure, I'm here too.
Very good. All right, guys. Then you'll have a 60-day reset. Who are you in front of, Armando?
Magistrate Chesney, Judge.
Okay. All right, thank you. You're excused.
Yes, Judge. I certainly appreciate that. It's good to see you, Judge.
Same here. Take care.
Yes, sir.
641-032, State versus Patrick Castillo. No attorney. Patrick Castillo is marked absent. Let's see, case number 641-317, State versus Peter Freeman, and that is Elizabeth Russell. What's the note on here, Patty?
It's for a
Sign
sign
language.
language interpreter.
Gotcha.
The interpreter's here and present. Okay, he's
All
here in the
right.
courtroom, Judge. I have Mr. Freeman here in the courtroom.
Okay. And do we know the nature of the hearing?
Yes, sir.
What is the nature of the hearing?
Attorney Elizabeth Russell has not been able to confer with him,
Okay, I
and
see.
she's logging on now, Your Honor. Do you want me to
Alright.
put them all in a breakout room?
Yes, ma'am.
Elizabeth Russell?
Ms. Russell,
Sorry, Judge, I got kicked off. I'm not sure why.
don't worry. We've got you back on. We have the sign language interpreter available. Ms. Garcia is going to place you, the interpreter, and your client in breakout so they all can confer, okay?
Perfect, Judge. And then I'll need to be in line to speak with your ADA after that, please.
You are in line for conferring.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you for being here, both of you, or all three of you, rather. 641-884, State versus Mark Fraga. And that's Tim Roundtree, another Roundtree, another reset. Mr. Fraga, do you happen to be here? Okay, reset. 642-645, State versus April Ansualda. I kind of suspect that's misspelled, but no attorney of record. Is it Ansualda or Ansaldua? April? Either one, whichever way is absent. 644-332, State versus Carlos Garcia, and that is Alberto Acevedo.
Here, Your Honor.
Mr. Garcia?
Yes, sir.
Where are you at? Let's see. Speak up, Mr. Garcia. Wave your
Here,
hands.
sir.
All right. I see you're on the Galaxy S10 Plus.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, man, you got a bunch of stuff going, Mr. Garcia. It shows you have some warrants pending with you. You're going to have to get your attorney to do something on this. Do you know that you have warrants for arrest?
Yes, sir. I am aware of it.
Okay. Have you heard from Mr. Acevedo?
Not today, sir.
Okay. I'm marking him now. No response. Hang around. Let's see what we find out about this.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you for showing up. Case number 649065, State versus Sierra Romo, and that is Monica Kirala. Attorney, Monica Kirala. Not responding, and the defendant, well, these are set for 10:30, I'm sorry. So it'll be recalled at 10:30. Six, 4, 9, 5, 6, 9. State versus Adonis Romero.
Yeah. I'm in court.
Again, 649-569, State versus Adonis Romero. That's Kirby Johnson. Kirby Johnson is not responding. Adonis Romero is absent. Set for 10 o'clock. 649-763, State versus Jason Powell, Attorney Charles Gold. They will be recalled at 10. 653-420, State versus Rosendo Guevara, and that is Rochelle Acevedo. Rochelle Acevedo, no response.
Judge, that got reset. Rochelle Acevedo is in trial. It got
Okay,
reset to August 5th.
okay. Is Rosendo Guevara around? Okay, set for 1:30. 655-400, State versus Rosalba.
Rocha de Castillo.
Rocha de Castillo. Rosalba Rocha de Castillo will recall it at 1:30, and it is attorney Xavier Ibarra. Set for jury trial. 657-980, State versus Alexander Castillo, and that is Efrain Torres, his attorney of record.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Torres.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Have you got your client here, Alexander Castillo?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm here.
All right. Are you ready on this case? Pardon me?
We have an agreement with the state to potentially resolve this case, Judge. We're just going to ask for a reset and take it off the trial docket.
Reset for resolution.
Correct, Judge.
How much time we giving them, Patty?
60.
All right, reset for 60 days.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 658-155, State versus Efrain Aguilera. He's in jail, and the attorney is Kimball Ward.
He's there, Judge. We ordered him.
What
He's there
about
on screen.
Kimball Ward?
I haven't heard from her.
All right, as of right now, no response. Continuing, case number 659-744, State versus Victoria Martinez.
Here, Your
Nathan
Honor.
Slimane. Good
Hello?
morning, Ms. Martinez. Good morning, Mr. Slimane.
Judge, he's running late
Sorry,
from
what,
another
Patty?
court. He's running late from a felony court.
All right. Ms. Martinez, just wait around for your attorney.
Okay, Your Honor.
659-756, State versus Jeffrey Green. That is Ronald Zimmerman.
Yes, Judge, I'm present, and I believe Mr. Green is present via Zoom.
Mr. Green, where are you? Speak up. Mr. Green? Anybody
did-
see him? Patty, Mr. Zimmerman?
Yes, I did see his image on one of the boxes, Judge.
Okay,
He's there, Judge.
there he is.
He's, Mr. Green, can you,
He's right in my screen, he's right next to Mr. Zimmerman. All right, 659-790, State versus Andres Silva Juarez, and that is Jonathan Reitmeyer.
I'm here on that, Judge. I just logged in. We've just been in contact with our client. I think he's having a little issue logging on.
All right. What do you want to do?
Judge, this is a first setting. I was going to ask for a reset for discovery.
Discovery, 60-day reset.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Your Honor,
Ma'am.
just to let you know, Attorney Ernest Acevedo Jr. is on. I'm sorry, the third.
Okay. Ernest.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Ernest. How are you?
Doing well.
Are you announcing on your case already? Which one is it?
Page
Case number?
Page three, Judge.
I got hired.
629-831.
Yes, he hired me this morning, Judge. He is a previous client, but I haven't been able to file my appearance yet because it just happened. But he sent me the Zoom link and I wanted to announce and just let the court know that I am on the case and if I could get a 30-day reset to view the discovery.
We're going to give you 60, but which case is it, Patty?
629-831, page three, the second one.
629. Yes,
831.
okay, I got it. We had already reset you.
October 13th.
Okay, perfect.
All right. Take care.
Thank you very much, Judge. Y'all have a good day.
You too. 659-864, State versus Jose Compian. And this is Luis Martinez.
Judge, I'm present.
Good morning, Luis. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
What do we
Judge,
got?
Mr.
Mr.
Compian,
Compian?
Mr. Compian is in custody and he's got felonies pending, Judge.
All right. Is he related?
I don't believe so, Judge.
Okay. Well, we're going to reset you for 60 days, Luis.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, may I be excused?
Yes, you are.
Thank you. You have a good day.
You too.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
I also wanted to let you know that both number one and the second person conferring have returned from the breakout rooms.
All right. That's number one was Joseph
Brian de la-
Navarro,
Brian de la Rosa.
right?
Yes, I'm
Brian,
back, Judge.
what you got?
All right, so I did confer with Miss Reed. Apparently Miss Morgan is going to be handling these cases. She would request, or she's requesting a reset so that they can review the second case and then possibly work out a deal for us on these two cases.
All right. Patty, 60 days?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
You may.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, may I approach and make an announcement?
And who's trying to approach?
This is Dave Parent for Marco Lozano on page 1, 615505.
Where were you, Mr. Parent?
I was on the wrong Zoom on County Court 12.
You mean you had trouble with the computer?
I always have trouble with my computer.
What's your announcement, sir?
Mr. Lozano, I got a call from his fiance yesterday, is in custody in Comal County. They're trying to arrange bond to get him out. They're not sure if they can get him out today or not.
Well, some people come up with any kind of excuse not to be here, huh?
I don't know. If you got to go to jail not to be here, that's a kind of a strange decision.
All right, we're going to reset him 60 days, see what happens.
Thank you very much. And I'll get a notice on that.
Patty?
Yes, sir. I'll email you the new reset.
Excellent. Thank you very much. May I be excused, Judge?
You are excused, sir.
Thank you much. Y'all have a great day.
You too.
Judge Longoria, this is Stacy Kraus.
Ms. Kraus?
I thought I was number 2 to confer with Catherine.
You are.
I don't know if Patty has me down.
I'll go ahead and place you to confer now. I accidentally put Jerome White, and he's ready for an announcement, Your Honor.
Which case is he on?
It's on page 4. Page 4, 640230.
Mr. White?
Yes, Judge. We just need a short reset to so I can convey this offer. And if we accept it, I'll just request a court date for a plea.
Are we doing short dates, Patty?
No, sir.
30 days would be okay.
Well, we might have to make it 60. Can you live with 60?
I can live with that.
I thought you might. All right, you're excused, Mr. White, and your client also.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right, now, Ms. Kraus, have you placed them in what's
Yes,
called,
sir.
Patty?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Elizabeth Russell will be next.
And Judge, my client is going to be applying to the DWI court. So we would request a 60-day reset while we work on that and for him to be excused. If that's okay.
I'm so noting, Patricia.
Yes, sir. I'll send her the reset later on this afternoon.
All right.
And I do still want to confer, Judge, because I have some questions about accessibility for individuals with sign language to the DWI program.
No, very good, then stick around.
Thank you, Judge.
Scheduled for jury, 661233, State versus Randall Lewis, and that is Edward Piker.
Your Honor, he called in. He's got a hearing in the 190th court. So he'll log on as soon as he's done there.
Okay, and Mr. Lewis is on computer out of the jail?
Yes, sir. He should be. Yes, he's there, Judge.
All right. There he is. Good morning, Mr. Lewis. Stick around. Your attorney is in felony court. He'll join us. 663269, State versus Leslie Guzman, and that is Alberto Chaires, attorney. Alberto Chaires, attorney.
Yes, Your Honor. This is Teresa Morales for Alberto Chavez. He's in trial in another court. I'm here. We're asking for a reset, Your Honor. It's attached to a felony out of the 186.
Is your client here?
I believe she is. Is she not, Ms. Guzman? Leslie Guzman?
I'm here, Your Honor.
There she is. Under what name are you answering, ma'am?
Estella's iPhone. It's my mom's phone.
Okay, but your name officially is Leslie Guzman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take a note of that, Patty.
I did, Judge. I changed it.
Okay. All right. Reset. Patricia?
60 days for felony pending indictment.
All right. Y'all are excused. Thank you, ladies. 663-890, State versus Dion Taylor Burks. And that is Barry Hitchings. Barry Hitchings, no response.
Your Honor, he is running late from a doctor's appointment this morning.
Okay.
And Mr. Taylor Burks is there. He was ordered as well.
All right, Mr. Burks. You'll have to wait till your attorney shows up.
Oh, okay, Your Honor.
663-909, State versus Kimberly Zamudio, and that is Loretta Hewitt.
I'm present, Judge. I don't know if Ms. Zamudio is. When I've not had any contact with her. When I obtained the phone number from the bond company and called that number, a female answered, said I had the wrong number and hung up on me.
All right.
And I have not received a call from Ms. Zamudio.
She's in the courtroom, Your Honor.
All right. That's solved, Ms. Hewitt. The lady's in the courtroom.
If I could go into a breakout room with her, Judge.
Patricia, make it so.
Yes, sir.
663-932, State versus Michael Waters, and that is
Council's
Michael
present, Your Honor.
Goins. Good morning, Mr. Goins.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Michael Waters, are you present?
I've not been able to get in contact with him, Your Honor.
Then you're going to have a failure to appear on him unless you're able to have him report.
And how many days, Your Honor? 7?
You got 1 week.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have a
Mr.
excuse.
Goins. Yes, you are.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
You too. 663-933, State versus Stephanie Barron, and that is Amy Owen. Amy Owen, no response. Stephanie Barron, marked absent. 663-947, State versus Jose Herrera, and that is Roberto Vargas.
I'm present, Your Honor. He was trying to log on. He's in training right now for his job. I was wondering if we can excuse him this time.
Present, Your Honor.
There he is, Your Honor.
Jose Herrera.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
Your Honor, we're asking for a reset on this. I have to get to Wilson County for a trial docket call, and if I can get a 30-day reset, I'll get in contact with the prosecutors regarding this case.
We'll give you one reset, 60 days.
Thank you, Judge. Can we both be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. (663-909). Oh, pardon me. Let's see. I have a SID number, but not a case number, Patty.
She's got, he has 5 cases, 1 felony, Your Honor. That's why I put the SID number.
I see. State versus Deshaun Jocelyn. Deshaun Wright, Jocelyn.
It's Jocelyn Deshaun Wright.
Oh,
Can you hear me? I am present.
Jocelyn Deshaun Wright. Good
Yes.
morning.
Can you hear me? Good
And
morning.
we
How
have
are you?
Brian O'Donnell.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Brian.
Good morning, Judge. My client is present. We have some discovery issues on these 5 cases, and our felony attorney is working with Ms. Wright on that felony case. Is it possible we could reset the case?
Everything's possible, Brian.
Judge, there's a warrant for the felony.
Okay, we're gonna reset 60 days on the misdemeanors.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right,
Could we
Brian.
be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Judge,
That's it for this morning's docket. All right,
Judge.
those, ma'am.
There was an add-on, 663-744. Joe Frank Dominguez, Angela Blake. It's a 2:30 hearing, 2:30 PM hearing for a motion to modify bond conditions.
What's the name of the defendant?
Joe Frank Dominguez.
All right. Attorney's Angela Blake, you said?
Yes, sir. 2:30 hearing.
Okay. Bond conditions.
Judge, this is George Sherman. May I approach?
George? Are you George Sherman or George Sherman II?
We'll go second on that one. I've got two clients on the docket, and I don't know if I came in late or what, but
The first one is Nicolas Martinez. You were second case on the docket.
right, I guess I came in late. And then Honorio Galarza.
Well, tell me first about what you're gonna do with Nicolas.
Oh, we're going to confer about that case right now, if you
All right.
will let me. And Honorio Galarza, we have given you an order for the blood discovery on his case, and I'd like to get a reset for that discovery.
60 days.
So is Mr. Galarza dismissed for today?
No, he's not dismissed, but he's excused for the rest of the day.
Okay, that'll be fine. And then I'll confer on Mr. Martinez.
You got it.
Judge. Marshall White here, Judge.
Marshall.
Judge, I'm coming back on Rudy Marino, 615-534. I don't think he
615-534.
He didn't answer.
Did not answer.
He did not answer, Your Honor, and I made a good faith effort to reach out to him. May I be excused on that case, Your Honor?
You're excused for now. If he happens to show up, we'll try and track you down, Marshall.
Thank you so much. Y'all have a good day.
You too.
Judge, it's Loretta Hewitt. Can I update the court?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Zamudio, we've exchanged contact information, and it's a good thing that she showed up in court because her bail bond company gave me the wrong phone number for her.
Give me a case number, Ms. Hewitt, so we can be on the same page.
Your Honor,
Liberty.
it's on the top of page 8. First one on page 8.
Okay, so Ms. Hewitt, your client has appeared?
Yes. And
Yes. She's in
since
the
today,
courtroom, right?
yes, since this is the first day that we've spoken, I need a reset to get discovery and to talk with her about her case.
First contact, discovery, reset 60 days. You're both excused. Thank you both for being present.
Thank you, Judge. Patty, do you have the new date?
I'll send it to you, Loretta.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes.
Hello, it's Austin Hagee. I'm here to announce for Bridget Bailey.
Give me a case number, please.
640-443.
640. 443, fourth page. There you are. Talk to me, Mr. Hagee.
Your Honor, this is going to be placed on a trial docket, but before we do that, I'd like to confer with the prosecutors.
You are on the list for conferring.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I'm sorry to interrupt. I haven't heard my name called. I'm wondering if my attorney sent me the wrong Zoom meeting.
Your
What is
Honor,
your name?
Your Honor, that's my client. I just got here from the felony court, Your Honor. Make announcement, Your Honor. Mike Collins.
Mike Collins, give me a case number.
601931, Your Honor. It was off of Thursday, July 22nd docket, where she missed the docket call, Your Honor. I had her come in today, so we wouldn't have a warrant.
601931, you said?
Yes, Your Honor. It was off the July 22nd docket, Your Honor.
Give me her full name.
Josephine Gonzalez, Josephine Marie Gonzalez.
Ends with Z or S?
I got it with a Z.
Yes, sir.
And July 22nd. Docket. Do we have a warrant out, Patty?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Mike Collins. We said it's 60 days, Patty.
But I'd like to confer, Your Honor.
I'm gonna put you on the list, Mike.
Okay.
I'm not sure the ladies will be ready since it's from a different day, and the docket on this one is pretty huge to begin with. We'll see.
Okay. And I also have to check. I got to check on another client that I told to be here this morning. It was on Nathaniel Ramos. I don't know if he's shown up yet or not.
I'm present, so
Nathaniel Ramos.
here, Your Honor.
Okay. He was on the July 22nd docket as well, Your Honor. His case number was 645069.
6 years. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, when my wife left with the girl.
You doing the same thing with this one?
Yes, Your Honor, the exact same thing.
All right, we'll try to flow with it, see what's happening.
Judge, this is Kyle Simpson. May I approach?
Yes, you may.
Judge, I didn't hear my client's case called. I must have logged on a minute or two late. Frankie Vargas.
Mr. Rodriguez answered. He
On page one.
He was one of the first people to be called.
Judge, I have an issue signing on. I messaged Patty to get on the list to confer. I just want to confirm that I am on that list.
You are now.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, Barry Hitchings.
Mr. Hitchings.
Yes, I'm on page 7. 3890. Look, Dion Lamar Taylor Burks. And if I could confer.
I'm here.
Dion Taylor Burke.
Present.
You're in the jail, right?
Yes, he's in jail, Your Honor.
All right, you're on the list for conferring. We have only one prosecutor again today, so
Judge,
it's going to take a while.
Judge, this is Ron Zimmerman, if I may.
Your Honor, can
Yes,
you tell
Patty?
me who's next to what I'm conferring?
All right. We finished Krause, right? Krause, Stacy Krause.
Yes, sir.
All right. And we've also done Jerome White.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I think that I was next.
The next one was Elizabeth Russell.
Okay, I'll place some in breakout now.
All right. After Ms. Russell, I George Sharman II. Followed by Mr. Hagee. All right. We have something set at 10 a.m., don't we, Patty?
It's at 10:30, Your Honor. Yes, sir. 10 a.m. is a plea with Charles Gold.
10 a.m., please. There it is, Charles Gold. Mr. Gold.
Just Ed Piker. I'm back from my hearing.
Good morning, Ed.
Hi, how are you? How was your weekend?
Peaceful.
Good.
But hot. Damn, it was hot yesterday afternoon. Woo.
Sure was. I have a Randall Lewis. He's in jail. So if you could put me in line for the prosecutor, I'd like to talk to them.
All right, you're going to give me a case number?
Yes, sir. 661233. Randall Lewis.
Ed Piker. Present. We're going to put you in line for the conferring.
Thank you.
You're
Judge,
welcome.
This is Ron Zimmerman, if I may interject.
Yes, sir.
I would like to confer with the state on Mr. Green, Jeffrey Green, and Mr. Green this is his first day at his new job, and if he may be excused, Judge, I do not anticipate a disposition in this case today.
You want to give me a case number and make it a lot quicker for me to find?
Sure.
657.
659756. It would be on page 7, Judge.
659-756. Jeffrey Green.
Jeffrey Green, yes.
Jeffrey Green. Jeffrey Green. Well, I cannot excuse him if he's not here to be excused, can I?
I just saw him.
He did answer earlier. All right.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I have a question to ask.
Hold on just a second.
Yes, sir.
All right, identify yourself. Hello.
Efren Aguilera.
Aguilera. All right. What can I do for you, Mr. Aguilera?
Yes, sir. My attorney, she hasn't been in contact with me. My aunt has been calling her. My aunt's my power of attorney. I wanted to see if I could get a bond reduction or I could be released on probation for right now.
He's on page 6, Judge.
I'm sorry, Patty?
Page 6, 658-155.
Six 155. Efraín Aguilera.
Yes, sir.
Kimball Ward is attorney, not present.
Yes, sir. She hasn't been attending for nothing. I've been calling her. She refused my calls. She refused my dad's calls, my mom's, everybody's calls. And plus my power of attorney is Noelia Rojas.
Patty, when was she originally appointed?
I'm looking that up now, Judge. She was appointed May 25th, 2021. And May 19th, 2021 on the felony.
And I have witnesses on that felony charge, sir.
Mr. Aguilera, I'm gonna wait and see what we do on this.
Yes, sir.
Patricia, try and get a hold of Ms. Ward, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, may I stop YouTube or did you still want to be on?
Well,
Judge,
we're
may
gonna have-
I approach?
Hold on, we're gonna have a plea on Mr. Gold, so leave YouTube on for this moment. Charles Gold?
Yes, sir. Good
All
morning,
right,
Judge.
are you ready on your plea?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Is Mr. Powell, I see Mr. Powell. Mr. Powell, you ready, sir? Do you have any questions? Do you want to
Yes,
talk with
sir.
me? Do you want to talk with me before we get going on anything?
Yeah, can I talk to you real quick?
Okay, can you put us in the room, Judge, real quick, please?
Patricia, place Mr. Gold and Mr. Powell in breakout.
Thank you.
Judge, may I approach?
Who's identify yourself, please?
This is Paul Acevedo, Your Honor.
Paul, how you doing?
I'm doing good, Judge. I was on the 9 o'clock docket. I've been in the room like maybe 3 times. I'm having technical difficulties. I finally got on my phone now, but for some reason my internet is out here at the office. It goes on and off, so I've been kicked out like maybe 2 or 3 times. I have a Jose Martinez on your docket.
Case number?
Case number is 618390.
Gotcha. All right.
Judge, this case was originally one of my brother's cases. It's one that I've been retained on. And I wanted to see if you could give me an opportunity to confer with the prosecutors. If you could give me a reset, that way I can do it via email if possible.
All right.
I would stay to confer, but I'm having problems with my internet.
We're gonna reset you 60 days, Paul.
Okay, Judge, do I get a date from Patty or do I wait for one?
Well, I thought you were married myself.
Yeah, my wife doesn't like me dating, to tell you the truth.
No, it's not a good idea. Okay.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Hold on just a second. Patty, reset 618390, 60 days for Mr. Acevedo.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, somebody wish to be identified or
Taylor Burks.
Ms. Burks.
Okay, so am I supposed to stay or leave? However, I'm not sure, but I don't think my case has been called. Has it?
Yes, ma'am, we called it.
Okay. What's the status on that?
It's an unusual last name, so I remember calling your name.
Yeah. We're having technical difficulties over here at the jail.
Oh, is that possible?
I'm here now. However,
No problem. Let's see.
how are you
Judge,
today?
Excuse me, Judge, you called it. It's on page 7, 663890, and Mr. Hitchings is here in line to confirm.
Thank you.
All right, so hang around, Ms. Taylor Burke.
Thank you very much.
You're quite welcome.
Hello, Judge. This is Stacy Kraus.
This is who?
Stacy Kraus. Hi, Judge.
No, it ain't. What's going on, Stacy?
So I've conferred with the state and my client is here now. Jamal, can you say hello to the judge, please?
Hello?
And
Hello,
it's 615-522. He's on the first page, Judge.
615-522, you said.
On the first page.
Yes. There it is. All right, Ms. Krause, what is your announcement?
Judge, Catherine's going to be requesting some medical records, so we're requesting a reset today.
Discovery needed. Reset 60 days. You are excused, Ms. Kraus, so is your client.
Thank you,
Wait,
Judge.
Did your client ever show up? I think you just now
Yeah,
said.
I had him say hello to you. You want him to
All
say
right,
hello again,
yes,
Judge?
that's all right.
Okay.
I saw that.
Can you hear
All
me?
right.
I'm sorry.
You're both excused. Thank you. All
Okay,
right,
Jamal,
talk
I'll
to
be in touch.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, this is Kim Beza for Linda Corley on John Scrogum.
Hey, give me a case number.
Well, 626-214.
626.
He actually,
Yeah, it's on
214,
page 2.
he has 3 different cases.
626. 214. There it is. Kim Beza. What can I do for you, Ms. Beza?
Judge, Mr. Scrogum has joined us on Zoom. He was having trouble logging in when you called him earlier. The office had to walk him through on getting logged in.
Okay.
On Mr. Scrogum, Judge, Mr. Scrogum, can you announce, please? Can you let the court know you're here?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
I see you. I see you. Thank you. All right.
Judge, on Mr. Scrogum's case, Ms. Corley did file a motion to amend bond conditions. And I'm wondering if it's possible to go forward on that motion this morning.
Well, you're talking possible. You are correct. It is possible. Bond conditions. All right. What else are you doing?
Judge, that's basically one of the things he does have a felony pending, Judge. So besides that, we will be asking for a reset. That way we can try to work the felony out. For the motion to amend bond conditions that has been presented to the court, the felony court has already signed off changing Mr. Scrogum's current bond conditions from a no contact order to a no harmful or injurious contact order. And that's basically what we're asking for in the motion, just to let the court know, Judge. And I have not conferred about the motion with the state judge. So if you'd like, I can confer with them. I don't think that they will oppose it just because the felony court has already approved it. But I can definitely confer with the state if the court wishes.
Why don't we do that? Just if nothing else, it's a matter of the forum.
Okay, Judge. Also on Mr. Eli Rendon, Judge, which is 633-630.
633.
630.
633. 633. Here it is. Okay, 630.
Judge,
Yes, ma'am.
for Mr. Rendon, Judge, they did upload 4 different videos for e-discovery. Judge, I've only been able to see 2 of them, which are the body cam videos. I did send a request for the Coban video, but had not received it. And obviously that's important since it is a DWI offense. And I basically want to see the video that depicts the driving facts that basically is the basis for the stop that later leads to the offense that Mr. Rendon is charged with. So on Mr. Rendon, Judge, we can have a reset just to try to get those videos again, because that is important information that I need.
Very good. Then your reset discovery is incomplete. Reset 60 days.
Thank you, Judge. May Mr. Rendon be excused?
Mr. Rendon is excused. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. And I will wait in line, Judge, to confer on Mr. Scrogum.
Okay, let's go back to that one. What was that case number?
It is 626-214.
636.
626.
626.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. I had not marked you for conferring. You need to confer, right?
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
Patricia,
Yes, Judge.
on the next break in conferring, please have Ms. Pollard talk to me momentarily.
She's there, Judge, now.
Ms.
He's
Pollard?
available.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Ms. Beza has 626-214, was it?
Yes, Judge.
All right. She's asking for an amendment of bond conditions to no harmful or injurious contact. The felony court from which this arises, or part of it, is in accordance So you would not have any objection, is that correct?
No, Judge, I don't have an objection to mirroring the felonies conditions, but I do have a question. That's on a theft case. There's a no contact order.
No, he actually has a pending felony for assault, family choking, strangulation that has not been indicted. It's NM 610574.
Just as a matter of protocol, I wanted to make sure you had no problem with that. Is that okay?
Oh, and so the no contact order is on 661879, his violation.
Yes, that's correct. I'm sorry, I gave you the wrong case number.
Okay, that's fine.
879, correct.
All right. Then with that, Ms. Beza, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge. May
Welcome.
Mr. Scrogan be excused as well.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
This is John Longoria.